Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights and let's take a look of what's coming up on tonight's episode. We have this man running from someone or something. What do you think he is running from? Keep them doors locked and keep an eye on your notifications and let's take a look. So in this clip we have a guy running from someone or something. Could be a number of reasons or things and we have none to give you. Please use your imagination on this one and let us know your thoughts of what he is probably running from in the comments. Thanks as always, and thanks for watching. Well, hello. This guy just showed up. I guess he is wondering if he could chill on your front porch while we continue with the video. He just wants to finish his drink and his conversation with himself. Sure. Go ahead and help yourself to this mailbox and its contents. Clearly a woman stealing mail. This woman seems to be looking for something in these people's mailbox. Perhaps it's her dignity. As soon as she hears the dogs, she questions if she's at the right house and points to another house down the street. Oh, she must clearly be lost and at the wrong address. She then proceeds to walk that direction as if she wasn't on camera and almost busted. Oh, what a sly devil. So clever, this one. A late night steal me an umbrella stop in this clip. This late night chooch makes off with this umbrella. What won't people steal these days? In this clip we show how criminals jump fences. And here we show how sidekick rookie criminals can't jump fences. Homeowner said at 2 AM my Ring camera alerted motion at my side door of a man dropping off flowers. No note attached and no one in my household knows who he is. The stranger left in a big red pickup truck. Can anyone identify this man? Police report filed. What are your thoughts on this one? Innocent secret admirer or creepy stalker? Regardless, any way you look at this, unless delivered to the wrong address, totally and completely creepy to say the least. Not sure what is going on in this clip besides what homeowner sent in. And that was as vague as a muddy night. They just said tools, cash and their truck was stolen. Any thoughts? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. This lady walked through this homeowner's garage, then to the front door, taking their slippers. She then broke their garden bear decor. She was walking with just socks on. This happened around noon today. Be vigilant and keep an eye on your slippers. A couple that steals together ends up to jail in separate cells, not together. Food for thought for any Bonnie and Clydes watching. Let's watch this despicable couple as they steal everything from this front porch.
Rolls and stuff? Okay.
I mean, at this point you might as well just back that truck up to the door. Talk about absolutely shameful.
Thanks, lady.
They even take the laundry basket. Damn. Light bulb snatcher in this one. Question: why does he replace a working bulb with a working bulb? Do you think he could have been planting a camera bulb? Weird nevertheless. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. We still have our stranger buddy hanging out on the front porch. Can someone tell him kindly it's time to go? The video here is almost over. A late night visit from this stranger in this last clip. Homeowners don't know this stranger knocking on their door repeatedly early hours of morning. Let's watch how they handle it and wish every early hour incident ended this easy.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Hopefully everything's starting here in the last round.
Kudos to the homeowner. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the face like it's a porch pirate stealing your umbrella. In doing so you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now, to join and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. Until next time, keep it classy, stay safe and always be vigilant my friends. And thanks for watching. Well, what are you waiting for? Hit that like and subscribe button and join the family today. Yes, we are talking to you. Yes, hit that like and subscribe button like this very second. You can consider sharing later. What do you have to lose? It's free, mate.